Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this video, I just wanna do a quick unboxing or share my experience of purchasing through Home Depot website and how fast it arrived and what type of batteries that I have, and I show you like comparisons between some of the older battery types that I have and compare with the two new ones that I just got. So with my latest video, there's a promo on the batteries of the 8 amps, right? So it's usually about $200, and then I saw that like $179, so I made a purchase yesterday. It arrived today, and it's shipped with I think a third party or subsidiary of UPS, Brody, through Home Depot. So I live I live like maybe less than a mile from Home Depot here. And instead of shipping from that Home Depot, they actually ship from Carson. So the guy actually drove for at least like 30 to 45 minutes. And the packaging wise is really good. It comes in a box like this at Home Depot, right? And this is the two batteries that I received. It's massive. It's huge, right? So it's super heavy. I like it. It's brand new. So I'm gonna take it out, do a quick unbox, and do a little comparisons between the batteries, and that way you guys can see it. And the promotion is still going on right now, guys. So if you go straight to Home Depot, you can look up like two batteries pack for 8 amp, and it's $179. And if you use sometimes like Home Depot sends you like an email almost quite often, $15, $25 off. In this case, the last email I got was $15, and I can use that. You can use that code inside the store or online, and I just took advantage of it. Wow, this packaging is really good, really tight. Let's get it out. Oh, wow. Voila. 8 amp, max output lithium, EXP. I think that's the baddest beast right there. Let's take another one out. And that's pretty much it. And inside this, it's just like a little warranty and a little manuals how to use the batteries. So yeah, so let's do a little, see what it looks like here and see. And it has one bar left. The model for this one is R840080. All right, so let's compare to the 6 amp. Right here, this is 6 amp. And let me move back a little bit. This is the 8 amp. Big difference. See? And let's compare with the 4 amp. This is, I think, like pretty old. This is the old style, old model. Yeah. But it's not, how big is that? What do you guys say? Maybe what, like 15%, 25% more? And let's compare to the octane one. So this used to be like the best and the baddest one with the octane Bluetooth, but I think, I believe Ridgid no longer support the Bluetooth. And this is a 3 amp hours, right? So you get two big ones, huge. So I plan to, because it's hot over here in California lately. For the last couple of days, for some reason it's been hot. So reason why I'm investing in Ridgid is because I have solar. I have one DIY solar that I made myself, and I have the whole house system that I actually purchased. Had someone, a licensed company, installed it, like 12 kilowatt. And I use a lot of like like DeWalt portable, right? And I got a bunch of fans over there, and I got the tiny fans like this. So the lights that I use for this is also portable Ridgid lights. So during the day, I would charge up all these batteries with my DIY solar system. I think I might have shown you guys maybe 1 or 2 videos of it. And nighttime, I just used the batteries. And maybe like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, my wife or I myself take out the battery, charge it, and that's how we conserve energy, right? And then my other system, I just sell it back to Edison, and even though they don't pay crap on it, but yeah. So overall, Ridgid, it's I couldn't complain much. Like before this, the last couple of videos where I never followed the LSA, which is the lifetime service agreement. But after going through my first one, it was very easy. Click, 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 click. You print out the label, put it in the box, send it over there. About 5 days to get there, and then another 6-7 days to get back. And then there was a delay with the FedEx, but other than that, it was to me it was really easy. Only to make it better, if Ridgid can, you know, like I said in my previous video, to have us exchange it if it's legitimately lifetime warranty, or if we within the 90 days we register it with lifetime, then as long as they verify it, take it to Home Depot. You know what? Here you go. This one is not replaceable, or you know, while we're repairing it, we'll give you this one. That would be even ideal, because that way the downtime for a consumer would be very minimum, right? Waiting for like 11 days or 13 days, it's kind of, to me, I think that's kind of very long. Or the other suggestion would be like, as soon as I print out the label, they already know which one is defective or which one I'm sending back in. So if they're out of the old one, or send me a refurbished one of the 4 amp, you know, whatever that was broken. That way you can minimize the downtime on the consumer side. But other than that, it was flawless. I love Ridgid, and I'm going to continue to buy more Ridgid products. Like nothing bad I can say about it, you know what I mean? The battery's like 4 years old and they didn't even ask anything. It was amazing. Once again, this video is not sponsored by Ridgid or by any means. No one is paying me to say all this stuff. Everything I purchased with my own money, so I can say whatever I want to say. But that is my opinion on Ridgid. So if you guys like me, you guys like Ridgid, you know, or maybe you don't like Ridgid or whatever, you just want to try it out. Yeah, the lifetime service agreement yourself. Try to do so, and then if it's different from what I experienced, let me know in the comment below. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. And like I said, the promotion is still going on. Take advantage of it. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.